two types of women that men love. For centuries, a lot of women have tried to figure out what traits of personality and behavior are the most attractive for men. There are as many answers as there are men in the world. What's for sure is that any man needs a special woman who will become his soulmate. There's some types of women who seem more attractive for most men. We've chosen two of them to take a closer look at. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. The mother. Psychologists claim that girls are looking for father-like men and boys are looking for mother-like women. Such tendencies are deeply rooted in our subconscious and have a lot to do with the way we perceive the home environment. In other words, we base our ideals of a perfect home on the experiences of our childhood, when we felt safe, comfortable, and happy. Part of the attraction men feel for a mother-like girlfriend is just an extension of this association. They want to be taken care of, loved unconditionally, and feel safe and warm. Another part is related to the quest to find the perfect mate. A woman who will be able to take care of her man, to cook or clean the house, and, more importantly, to deliver healthy babies and nurture them to adulthood. This is an even more primitive human instinct, developed during a time when a human's only missions in life were to survive and to perpetuate the species. Number 2. The friend. Not all men are looking for beauty and sex appeal. Sometimes they need somebody to talk to or to go to a football match with. For him, you are not just a doll, but a partner with opinions and ideas. Having things in common with your partner is key to a strong and healthy relationship. There's nothing more tedious than spending time with each other and having nothing to share or do. You need to at least be able to agree on some things to make a long-term relationship work. If you want him to, a man will share with you even his most private possessions, like his game console or his favorite t-shirt. Take care not to damage them, though, because you will deeply hurt him. Being the friend doesn't mean that the intimate part of your relationship must suffer. Be ready to turn into his lover in the bedroom and use the newfound closeness to spend unforgettable moments together. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.